Hi, in this video I'm going to ask the user for a string, and then I am going to output the longest substring from that string that doesn't have the repetition of consecutive characters. I'm going to output the substring with its length to the console. So I'm going to first ask the user for the string. I'm going to say what's the string. So as long as the inputted string is empty, I'm going to reprompt the user for another string. So I'm going to say while length of s is 0, ask the user for another string. The inputted string is empty. Try another string. Okay, so at this point we know that the input is not at least it at least has length 1, and that is what I'm going to use for when I create the variable ss for substring. I'm going to assign the first character to this variable ss. So because this is only in the beginning, I've just assigned one character, the length here is going to be 1. I'm going to create two more variables here to keep track of the longest substring that we create in the process. So I'm going to say that the longest substring, well, in the beginning, this is going to be ss, which is the first character of the inputted string. And its length, again, is going to be 1 because it only has one character in the beginning. So the max length is equal to length in the beginning. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all of the characters of the input, and then so let's first write this actually for I in range. Well, I have accounted for the first character because I have assigned it to the variable ss. So I'm going to start from index 1 and then go on to index then of s minus 1. So for this range, if the character is equal to the last character of the ss, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset the ss, because when that happens, it means that we have reached the repetition of consecutive characters. But if it is not, I am just going to add the character to what is currently the ss string. I'm just going to add it to the current string. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say that if the character is not, and because we are just checking for the repetition of consecutive characters, I just need the last character of the ss string. So I'm going to say, oh, I forgot to put if it is not equal, then just add the character. And because we're adding the character and we're going character by character, the length will increment by 1. Now the else statement here means that we have reached the repetition of consecutive characters, and again I'm going to reset the ss with the new character, which is basically the last what was the last character of the ss before. And we are resetting, so the length right now is going to be 1. Now in here I am also going to have to keep track of the longest substring. So basically while we are doing this, as soon as we reach the length greater than or equal, or actually I'm going to use equal to or equal to the maximum length, well, then that is not really the maximum length. So I'm going to have to reassign the maximum length to be the length, the current length. And the longest SS, again, is going to be reassigned to the current value of SS. So we're going to say the longest SS is going to be the current value of SS, and max length is the length, the current length. This way, we know that we are keeping track of the longest substring. So at the end, we just need to print what has been recorded in the longest SS and max length variables, and that's it. We're going to say that the longest substring is, actually, let me do something here, and I'm going to say longest SS. Oh, sorry about that, I forgot that I'm going to, okay. With length and the longest substring. Let's run this. A B T Y Y W E E E E L G H T Y F F, something like this. So we see that this is the substring and the length is correct, it is 7. So this is the end of this video, and thank you very much for watching.